Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of easy keto meals that the whole family can enjoy. First up, we have a mouthwatering cauliflower crust pizza. It's low-carb, gluten-free, and tastes just as good as the real deal. Next on the menu is a vibrant and nutrient-packed Greek salad with grilled chicken. It's loaded with fresh veggies, feta cheese. This is the perfect option for those hot summer days when you're craving something light yet satisfying. For our meat lovers, we have a sizzling steak stir-fry. Tender strips of steak are cooked to perfection with a medley of low-carb veggies, giving you that perfect balance of protein and nutrients. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser. And there you whether you're following a specific diet or simply want to incorporate healthier options into your meals, these recipes are sure to please everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty and family-friendly recipes. Until